release the fog of the partisan war, that you could no longer see anything. Most of what I heard that day was that nobody knows who Osama bin Laden is. This guy's a nobody. And we're the United States of effing America. Like that guy in a cave is going to do something to us. You're just trying to get Al Gore elected. You're just trying to excuse Bill Clinton. You're just whipping up fear to help the Democrats win the next election. Boy, some things never change. The fog of partisan war. George Washington warned us about it. It stopped us from seeing the attack that would come just a couple of years later. Back on September 11th, 2001, I didn't remember that episode of my talk show on ABC. It wasn't until Osama bin Laden was mentioned as the mastermind days later, that Stu and I looked at each other and went, wasn't that the guy we talked about at ABC? Once I heard that, I knew our life was going to change for a while. But we would make it if we could just stay together and stay awake. But I knew somehow or another this was going to be harder to solve than with war. It was bigger than just killing those in caves who were responsible. I think all of us know somewhere inside, this is going to change everything. And it did. Our kids don't even know the America that we knew. They don't remember how free we really were, how secure we actually felt, how innocent and